Being an artist allows me to rediscover the potential of discarded materials. This life beyond a single use is what recycling is all about. For the purpose of our thinking in art and science class, my partner and I, Olivia Goodfriend, decided to focus on recycling. We collected data at different colleges and schools on the University of Florida campus, but our data did not describe any specific group as being especially poor at recycling, but rather everyone seemed to have a lack of knowledge regarding what is recyclable. Because of the confusing and sometimes even conflicting information about recycling, we decided to focus on communication and education. In order to catch the attention of the general public, we had to make the presentation of the information as attractive and clear as possible. Consulting the Office of Sustainability as well as UF Physical Plant allowed us to get a better understanding of the barriers that prohibit people from recycling.
Well, first time I heard about recycling rangers was a couple of days ago, actually. I was taking my old plastics out, and I saw one of their stickers on the side of the bin. So I said, what in the hell is a recycling ranger? So I went on and after a quick bit of research, I really I found out what they stand for, and they want me to properly recycle the materials that I'm trying to recycle. And to be honest, I didn't even know it was a big deal to separate the wax cups from the paper cups and all that. So really, I think my behavior's changed in that I can properly sort my goods and really do the environment the justice it deserves.
So, how has your life changed since becoming a recycling ranger?
Well, it's changed in a lot of ways. First off, I have become a member since last week. I've been a recycling ranger for about 6 days now, and I was recycling before. I've been a recycler my whole life, but now that I'm a recycling ranger, things are different. I not only am I responsible for my own recycling, when I see other people not recycling, I now have the authority to talk to them and let them know what it is that they're doing wrong, or if they're not knowingly doing it wrong, then I can explain to them and educate them. So I look at it as a dual role, not only as a private recycler, but as a public recycler, and I can share that with the world essentially, and everyone on campus and anyone that I interact with. And I tell them, hey, I'm a recycling ranger. No buzz about it. Everything's fine. You're not in trouble. But I like to let you know how to properly recycle, and I educate them. I let them know what they're doing wrong, and then you spread that knowledge, and eventually, they become recycling rangers. And hopefully, the goal of the organization is to get the whole world to be recycling ranger if we're going to save this planet. You know what I'm saying? But it's changed my life in many ways, and I'm excited about it, and we're stoked to the max about it.
That's terrific. Thank you.
Yeah.
By using a combination of design, media theory, humor, play, data collection, social strategies, behavioral science, and community development, we were able to make recycling more approachable and attractive. Using only recycled materials, we constructed a tabling setup for recycling rangers as a method of outreach and a platform for interaction in the gallery space and beyond. We designed and ordered durable vinyl stickers that describe the proper and improper objects of each of the two recycling receptacles, which are bottles and cans and paper. The stickers are given to whoever signs the contract to become a recycling ranger and joins our Facebook group, in which we share related content. Each ranger must place their sticker on whichever receptacle they wish to oversee and take care of by intervening in instances of improper recycling. For those dedicated enough to become Tier 2 recycling rangers, we also provide calling cards that can be used in situations best addressed indirectly or non-verbally, while including an opportunity to be more specific in their description of the correct proceeding. Working with the physical plant, we were able to bring these bottles and cans receptacles to Warp House, which did not used to have any recycling. By including these entities along with the audience in the creation of our work, it becomes an ongoing community effort. In this way, our work responds to the social, cultural, physical, and digital sites surrounding the issue of recycling.